The most flexible robot, UR3E. The UR3 Collaborative Robot is a smaller collaborative tabletop robot, perfect for light assembly tasks and automated workbench scenarios. (360-degree rotation). The compact tabletop robot weighs only 24.3 pounds, 11 kilograms, but has a payload of 6.6 pounds, 3 kilograms, 360-degree rotation on all wrist joints, and infinite rotation on the end joint. Unique features. These unique features make the UR3 Robot the most flexible, lightweight collaborative tabletop robot to work side by side with employees in the market today. The optimal assistant. The UR3 Collaborative Robot is an optimal assistant in assembly, polish, glue, and screw applications requiring uniform product quality. Optimizing production flows. The collaborative tabletop robot can also be used in a separate workstation. Mounted on the table, picking, assembling, and placing parts in optimized production flows.